One tip that I love to share with painters is find a brush that works very well for you as an outlining brush and then purchase 3 of them. That way you have one for black, one for white, and one for any other color that you do. And I wouldn't even rinse them out. I would leave them in the container, stem side down. You never put your brushes stem side up, but leave them there, and when you're ready to paint, all you do is add a little bit of water, maybe a little bit more paint. Helps you go very fast, saves a lot of time, and keeps your water clean. And the other thing is when you wash them in baby shampoo. It's an excellent thing to wash it in. It won't create any tears on the children. It's very hyperallergenic. And then when you're carrying them, when you're storing them, do make sure that you carry them in some type of case where they're going to either be stem side down or laying in such a way that nothing is going to push on that brush, because your brushes will get ruined in a heartbeat if there's anything pressing up against them for any length of time, or even that includes even leaving them in your water. So never do that, and your brushes will last a good long while and perform wonderfully for you.